To use one of these tools, first go to the Data Selection tab to create data you want to analyze. If you have previously selected data, access it by clicking on Datasets and hitting Select on the set you want to use. Then hit Start Analysis on the Diversity Heatmap tool. Scroll down to see the data, which may take a moment to load. This tool shows the levels of diversity across regions. Yellow squares represent areas with low diversity, while orange or red squares represent areas with high diversity. Use the purple sliders up here to filter your data by month or year. Click on a square to see a stacked bar representation of the data in that area. This is the total number of observations made in that region. Use the key to see which segment of the bar correlates with which species. Hover over a segment of the bar to see how many of that species were observed. You can also zoom in or zoom out of the map and use your mouse to pan between regions.